Stand over there. Stand over there. It's a windy day. It's a windy day. Have you ever tried sushi? Have you ever tried sushi? Let's take a selfie together. Let's take a selfie together. The traffic was terrible. The traffic was terrible. I need advice on something. I need advice on something. I'm not sure what to do. I'm not sure what to do. Let's go see that new movie tonight. Let's go see that new movie tonight.